Hello guys, welcome back to Zen Crypto. It is January 1st, 2021. We're going to talk about XRP on a macro scale. We're going to take a look at XRP regarding a possible bull market or a possible retracement down to some key area of support and all of that good stuff, okay? So if you're new to our content, you know exactly what to do. It is going to be a short update regarding XRP bull market because XRP could be very, very bullish in terms of charting over the next like a few years and so on, right? So stay tuned, all right? So that's the line graph, but we're going to focus on the macro scale on the 3 weeks chart. We're going to talk about the we're going to take a look at XRP in terms of basically candles, all right? After we might talk about the line graph and all of that good stuff. So I'm just gonna basically start off with counting our Elliott wave, right? So as you know, in Elliott waves, right, just a quick demonstration. You know, whenever we get a 5-wave impulse move, right, market likes to give you a 3-wave move. We just call it 3-wave. It doesn't have to be 3-wave. It can be multiple waves, right? So but markets love to give you a 3-wave move pullback in red, right? A 3-wave move pullback, let's say in orange, right? It might not be aggressive. So a 3-wave move pullback, and after that market likes to continue the uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, okay? Something bigger than the initial one, right? So in XRP, if you take a look at the XRP chart on the 3 weeks chart, right, you can see like we did get a beautiful if you ignore this spike, you can see like we got a nice 5-wave impulse. Okay, the move is actually very, very impulse to the upside. Started from like 0.005 all the way up to 360. That's a nice 50,000% move, something like that, right? 50,000 60,000% move. After that, what we got is like market likes to correct in sort of 3-wave move, okay? So we did get a 3-wave move pullback. We got this impulse move to the downside. We got this sort of like a triangular formation right there, ABC, and then we got another impulse move to the downside. Let me just do this for the XRP Moon Boys. We got a nice move to the downside, which is yellow, right? And after that, we got a nice sort of a triangle formation, right? And then after that, you got another. You can count it differently, but I think like just to count it as a contracting triangle is better right now, just for the sake of simplicity. It is also valid. And you got this impulse move to the downside, which is basically what I just demonstrated right here, okay? And I talked about this move long time ago, and I was like, after that, last year back in September, when October, when XRP was like 30 cents, we called for this 10 cents drop. And what we said was like, XRP going to be pumping back up, okay? It's going to be pumping back up to 80 cents. However, once we hit 80 cents, you got to be very, very cautious, because we're going to get we could potentially, it wasn't even guaranteed we're going to get it, but we could potentially get a very impulse move to the downside. A very impulse move to the downside, and that move could potentially hit where 0.618 of the previous move, okay, which is like right there, okay? If you want to take the entire move, if you want to be if like I want to be aggressive, I could take potentially the entire move, right? And it could dip all the way down to 4 cents, okay? But however, if I just take the most impulse move, just to be conservative, not to miss the bottom and all of that good stuff, we could potentially see XRP making this complex 3-wave move down, okay? You got ABC correction, that's going to give you your W, that's your W, right? And that's your X, and then we're going to be looking for the Y wave. However, we're not going to focus too much on the Y wave, because it only, this move could potentially be like 60, I would say 70% chance of happening, right? So I wouldn't basically focus too much on it. Remember when we were looking for the Y wave for BTC, we never got it. Even though the count was correct, the move, initial move, everything was correct up to 80%, right? But we never got to complete the move down to like a 3K, 4K again, right? Even though we hit the 4K target first. So I would not be focusing too much also on XRP to complete this move. Okay, it is going to be valid on a macro scale. We did anticipate this move like since September 2019, right? Right now it is 2021. The move is being, being respected and all of that good stuff. However, once again, it is not guaranteed. Okay, XRP going to drop all the way down to 6 to 4 cents, depending where you want to put your zero line. Okay, if you want to put it at 0021, your 0.618 going to be 4 cents. If you want to put it right there, the start of the bull run, your 0.618 going to be 6 cents. All right, so it is not something like I talk about this type of move like since like 2019 once again, right? So now we're going to focus now on the Moon Boy scale. Okay, let's scale it up now. So if you take a look at XRP, the initial move, we already know we got 5 wave. We already know we got 3 wave move down. Okay, however, instead of counting this move as a WXY correction, right, as instead of counting it as a WXY correction, we could just count it as a ABC correction, like that. A, B, and C correction. Okay, your B correction being complex, right? Sort of basically a triangular formation, and we could potentially look for a 5 wave impulse move, right? So if you take a look at it right now, we could count this as a potential wave 1 to the upside, not try to do anything in between, just count this as a wave 1, right? Not to make it very complex, right? And wave 2 could be potentially somewhere around here, all the way down to 10 cents, as long as we do not break 10 cents. If bulls do not break like 10 cents, we could count it as wave 2, and we're going to be looking for the wave number 3 to the upside, and 4 and 5. Okay, but our next target, we know exactly. Okay, we got a good chance of retracing down to 10 cents at least. Okay, it's not guaranteed, right? But we do have a good chance of retracing all the way down to 10 cents. So now we can just assume, okay, for the sake of simplicity, we could say, hey, our wave 2 could potentially be at 10 cents, and we're going to be looking for 1.618 extension, which is going to be all the way up at $3.50. If and only if we do not break 10 cents, right? The wave 1, that's why I'm saying, like, some people counting this sucker like on the lower degree, like a 2 daily time frame and all of that good stuff, and invalidating the potential of XRP going up, pushing higher if XRP breaks 17 cents. No. Okay, I'm a bear. Okay, on XRP, 75% bearish. Okay, for XRP to break below 10 cents. However, breaking 17 cents doesn't change the structure on the macro scale. Okay, it doesn't change the structure. That's why I'm saying bulls most likely, okay, they're going to be very undecided, so they're going to be buying the dip. That's why you can see like XRP is not breaking 17 cents easily. Even if we break it, most bulls, they're going to understand the macro structure, and they're going to give it a shot. That's why I'm saying bulls going to most likely, okay, once again, going to be buying the dip all the way down to 10 cents. But if we break 10 cents, it is going to be a free fall. Okay, it could be a free fall all the way down to some crazy prices, and we talk about those crazy prices and all of that good stuff. All right, so keep that in mind. I just gave you the bullish count for XRP, the bearish count, 75% bearish, 20 to 30% are bullish. So keep that in mind on the macro scale, not like XRP dropping 10% tomorrow, or like that's going to be short-term noise. Okay, short-term noise. Sucker could be in this range for the next 8 to 10 weeks. Okay, just not doing anything. Okay, just like what happened right here. Okay, what happened a few weeks back right there. Most people were bearish on XRP right here, but I was not bearish on XRP. I was just waiting for the break above 27. After the break above 27, we just took it to the upside, all the way up, to some crazy prices. You guys can see what happened after that, right? So just be cautious, right? In this range, watch for your weekly 21 EMA, right? On the macro scale, still not there, right? Still lagging behind. So we could get a lot of, price action in this range without XRP doing nothing, okay, over the next like 8 to 10 weeks. I'm not saying it will, but something to keep in mind just in case price action doesn't want to do anything. Okay, all right guys, that's all I wanted to cover for today. If you're new to our content, you know what to do. If you find the content useful, you can just subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, join our public Telegram group for more discussion and all of that. We got over 700 traders, very active, XRP Moon Boys, Bitcoin Moon Boys, Ethereum Moon Boys, and all of that good stuff. Okay, all right guys, thanks a lot for watching.